Thank you for all the love and support. You guys have been amazing. On YouTube, we just hit 13k on YouTube, 13k something now. Like, you guys are just subscribing. Thank you for all the love. It's been a struggle, but we're getting there. We'll see all of them at the top, okay? Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Anyway guys, today I'm going to be using mostly new product on this makeup tutorial. Like, I have a lot of new product that I have to do videos on, but I've been so lazy, just relaxing and just living my best life, chilling in the couch and just enjoying my life the best way I can. I'm minding my business. If you are wondering about my nails, details is on Instagram. Those cute nails. I'm going to first of all moisturize and prime my skin with this new product by Olay. Is it Olay? Name will be at the description bar. Product looks like this. This is one of their new skincare range, but I like this red one. I'll leave the name on the video or at the description bar, because they say you can use this as a primer and also as a moisturizer. You know, if you wear makeup, guys, you have to moisturize, then you prime before applying the foundation. So in this step, you can just use this product to prime and moisturize your face before foundation. I tried it at the event. It was very moisturizing on the skin, and also it was mattifying. I don't know how they did it. It did not dry you out, but it was mattifying. So yeah, let me just blend this with the brush. To apply foundation Thrive Causemetics CC cream. I've reviewed this product on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. This is the Thrive Causemetics CC cream. Can you focus on it, please? Thank you. And also be using the Sleek concealer, the new Sleek concealer. Just apply the concealer. Life proof concealer. Okay, life proof. If you don't want to use foundation, you don't have to though. Just use whatever you feel is best. Then we're going to use a new brush, like this brush. I'm so excited for this brush. You guys know Louise Beauty brush are beautiful. Look at the packaging. Louise Beauty. Packaging is so beautiful, I don't even want to throw away the box. I'm not a boss keeper, but I don't want to. Look at that. Ah! Look at that. How cute is this brush? Oh, my nails make it look more like they need to pay me to like hold this brush for them for a picture or something. It looks so beautiful. I'm going to spray my face, then blend this out. I sprayed my face with the Nip and Fab missing spray. You can see the concealer is still blending, and this brush is amazing. You see, my skin still look like skin. You can still see my imperfection somewhere. Try out the new Adele Beauty liquid highlighter. Just want a little bit of glow. Wow, that is beautiful. Beautiful. I'm not even looking at the camera, guys. Sorry, I apologize. I'm just focusing on Instagram. So guys, I got sent some product by Pretty Little Things, and they sell makeup on their site. If you don't know, they sell L'Oreal, they sell their own makeup. I'm going to use one of their palette today. So they sell a lot of brand now. They sell L'Oreal in Pretty Little Things. They sell Sleek. They have a lot of brand now in Pretty Little Things. So if you are buying clothes, you can just go to their makeup and buy makeup. I'm just saying. L'Oreal True Match concealer. I know this concealer is old. This is old news, but I don't have this concealer, so I'm going to try it out. This is harsh. The has a very harsh smell to it. Take the sleek concealer and apply this in between because that shade is a bit light for me to highlight with. I'm not really applying too much product on my face today. I'm going to use the Revolution Concealer and Undefined Foundation. I'm going to quickly use this to contour. Let's use this new set by Retechnique. Back with the foundation brush and just use this to blend everything out. I'm going to bake my face using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. So now let's do the brows and the eyes. For brows, I'm going to try out this is my first time of using this product. Nobody should come for me. The Anastasia Brow Wiz. I'm going to use a brow mascara for the brows. I'm going to use this one by HD Brows. This is one of their new shades. Oh, thank God. Whoever invented cleaning your brows, that person is a genius. Like, so I'm going to use the Pierre Rene like eyeshadow base for the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using a new eyeshadow palette because mostly the things we are using today is new products to me. So, Novena palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is how the palette look like. You guys must have seen it 1001 times on Instagram, Snapchat, everywhere. Yeah, by using the shade transition color, so you can build up the shade. I feel these two shades are the only two shades I can use as a transition color on this palette, which is pretty sad. Oh my God, I've dipped my brush too much. So, blend this out. DIY's black eyeliner. So I'm going to apply black liner on my waterline. Smoke out my under eyes. I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics Pro Matte powder. No new powder today, sorry. I'm going to bronze my face using the Pretty Little Thing palette. This is their contour palette. To use these two dark shades. To be frank and sincere with you, this is not a dark skin friendly powder. It's not contouring nothing. It's more for a lighter skin girl. Just like I'm setting my makeup with my skin tone powder. Let me use this new mascara, Artistic Studio, which looks like this. That is the boss, the packaging. Fun thing about this mascara when I went to the event is that the top of the mascara, you can't expand and reduce it. Face here, you twist. If you want it to be long, like, it can go up and go down. Up. It's amazing. It goes down, then it goes up. Then I'm going to reduce it for my bottom lashes. Cute, right? I'm going to use the Nip and Fab missing spray. You can shower with this if you want. For lipstick, I'm going to use Sleek lip liner, and this one is just Say Nothing. This is the Pixie matte liquid lipstick, Evening Rose. Cute name. To an event, a Makeup Forever makeup artist was doing my lip, and she used a brush to buff the color into the lip liner. It was beautiful. I like that. Olay Gilded Honey highlighter, and this one is from, you can buy this from Pretty Little Thing. A lot of people have used this. This is my first time of trying it. I can't wait. Just apply this. The glow is glow. That's a beautiful highlighter. The things I've used today, the things I don't like, I feel like I can do without. First of all, I will say the Novena palette. I'm sorry, nobody should kill me, come for me. I'm just going to say mine. I prefer the Subculture palette than the Novena palette, in the sense that the color right here are not that skin friendly. I'm sorry, I just have to say it. It just, the transition shade, it's just two shades you can use as a dark skin girl. For the shimmer shade, the fallout, not a cute stain. The pigmentation is okay. I'm not just a fan of the palette. Sue me. I'm not a fan. I prefer the Subculture palette or the other palette than this one. Sorry people. Then the next thing is the Pretty Little Thing contour palette. It's not that it's not good, I just wish they add it for dark skin. This shade right here, they need it to be deeper than this, because this is just like my powder shade. So no, for a light skin girl, bravo, you did good for a light skin girl. But for a dark skin girl, if I cannot even use it to set my contouring, just imagine someone darker than I am. So work on the shade, please. Everybody have what they like, what they hate, what they don't, what they are not okay with is fine. Everybody have their own opinion on things. So for the things I like, this brush by the Use Beauty, beautiful brush, cute brush, looking cute and sexy, amazing brush. The Pixie, I'm going to do a full lip swatch tomorrow on the Pixie liquid lipsticks. I have, like, they sent me the full box, so I'm going to do lip swatch. For now, feels amazing. So full-on review on this will be up soon. The Adele liquid highlighter, beautiful on the skin when you apply it without, like, on your skin with foundation, you're glowing. So which other things do I use? The other things I use that are new, the highlighter, that is all I have to say. 101% beautiful highlighter, it looks cute. The brow mascara by HD Brow, Twilight. If you understand the meaning of Twilight, you understand the meaning of Twilight. What I'm trying to say is that it's amazing. Like, my Nigerian blood will not live my life, I swear. So if you have any question on the rest of the product I use, ask me at the comment section. Hope you like this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, tell your friends to subscribe. Don't be stingy with me. Share me, please. Share me to people. Just share me. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, and do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys. Bye.